So this is the goal. And she's going to do it now. Oh, this is perfect. So you make a first corner, so it's a diagonal. Then you have to do a second one. I see. Then you have to fold it back. Oh. Then you have a diamond. That's good. And you make it flat. Oh, that's nice.
Steve, what is the
code?
password via internet?
One Florida one. There, see if that works. One Florida one. Oh, I see. It's a little diamond there. And then you fold it up that way. Okay. Then you have to take it back. I see. Fold it in carefully. I hope I made a good square. So then you do the same thing here. On that side. And then on this side. Then you have to fold it over. Okay. And then we flip it open. Nice. So Rise, how many of these have you made in your lifetime? Like maybe 20? Maybe more. You did, this is 2 just now. That's so amazing. Oh, I see, you do it one more time. So pretty. I think Rise should be a dentist. She's so careful. This is so nice. Open that way. Okay. One of these becomes a wing. I see.
No! No!
Oh, wow.
Take a piece of
Steve, look.
So pretty.
I want
You do.
Ça m'énerve de ça. Oh, ça m'énerve ça.
Aww.
Steve,
Look at them. And then they're so happy together. There's 3 together. That's so sweet. Thank you.
Mom, father, children.
Yeah.
We can
I'm worried about
still
this
hear-
child though.
Yeah.